So just a quick summary of all the graphs that you should know by now. So y equals x, you should know what this graph looks like. It's just a straight diagonal line. I'm expecting you to know this by now. Y equals x squared, you should know it should look like this. Y equals x to the power of 3. Well, if you forget, then put in some numbers in there. So put 0 in there. 0 to the power of 3 would be 0, so you know it passes through the origin. Let's just imagine you've got a 2 here. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. It would jump up to here, so imagine this is 8. And then in your mind, imagine negative 2. Well, negative 2 to the power of 3 would be negative 8, so it jumps down here. So this is negative 8. So if you forget y equals x to the power of 3, then just put some numbers in there. Put 0, 2, and negative 2. See where it jumps to. Here, it jumps to here. 0, it jumps to here. Negative 2, it jumps to here. So put some numbers in there and investigate. So y equals 1 to the power 1 over x. 1 over x looks like this. Again, if you forget, put some numbers in there. Put 0 in there. 1 divided by 0, it breaks down. So you shouldn't really put 1 in there because it breaks down. So put a big number. Let's just imagine a really big number, 999. So if you put 999 into here, 1 divided by 999 is going to be really, really small. So it's going to be here. And then we know dead on 0, it breaks down. Select a number just to the right. 0.000, I don't know, 3, a really small number. So now put this number into here. 1 divided by very, very, very small. Well, if you have a number 1 divided by something very, very small, it's going to be very, very big. So it jumps all the way up to here. And then use the same argument for the left-hand side. Select a number just to the left of 0. So that left of 0, so that would be negative 0.00003, say. If you put negative 0.003 into here, it would be 1 divided by negative very, very, very small. So a negative, you can move it up here, and then you can take it out here if you want to. So concentrate on working this out. 1 divided by very, very small, this thing here would be very, very big, and then you've got negative, sorry, 1 divided by 1 divided by very, very small, it would be very, very big, and it would be negative very, very big. So here, just to the left of 0, it would be negative very, very big. So it would jump all the way down to here. Well, 1 over x looks like this. And then you can use the same argument for 1 over x squared. Dead on 0, it breaks down. Dead on 0, it breaks down. So select a point just to the right of 0. Select 0.00000, I don't know, 2. Put this into here. 1 divided by 0.00002. It would be, and then when you square it, you see a small number, and then you square it, it will be even smaller. So 1 divided by an even smaller number, overall it will be very, very big. So it jumps all the way up to here, and then you can slowly build up your graph in your mind. So it looks like this. 1 over x squared looks like this. Because if you look at the left hand side, if you select let's say negative 0.00003, say, put this number into x squared here, it will look like this. 1 over negative 0.00003, say, and then you've got to square it. Now then, the negative is inside the brackets, so when you square it, it will become a very, very, very small number, and the negative disappears because you're squaring a negative, so it disappears. So 1 divided by very, 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 very small, it would be very, very positive big, so it jumps up to here. You see, with 1 over x, on the negative hand side, you've got a negative here, so it jumps all the way down here. But with x squared, you're squaring a negative, so the negative disappears. That's why it jumps to the positive. Anyway, 2 to the power of x. Again, you guys always forget this graph, so put some numbers in there. Put 0 in there. 2 to the power of 0 is actually 1, so it jumps to here. Put a number 1 in there. 2 to the power of 1 is 2, so this is 2. And then if you pick a really